Thokozani bogogo nomkhulisa kwasendoda lesugogo bathini mbatha. Ngane zakwethu ngicela sikhulume ngetopic lana ethi ukufundisa umfazi, ukufundisa intombi, ufundisa umuntu othandana naye, which is umuntu wesifazane, ufundisa wesilisa nomuntu wesilisa ufundisa wesifazane. Many people, especially women, they say it's wrong. It's the worst thing you can ever do, which ufundise umuntu othandana naye nomuntu oshade naye and everything. But what if umfundisa nje lo muntu because there is something better that you see in them that they don't see for themselves? Two, what if umfundisa because of there's nobody else who can help him or her? What if umfundisa because of you love her and the worst thing you want is to be involved with a person or frustrated because of akakwazi ukuqhubeka ngempilo yakhe? To me, it's irrelevant ukuthi lo ofundisa omunye yena ufunde kangakanani. Sometimes you see the best out of other people than you see it to yourself. Sometimes it's a matter of ukuthi njoba umfundisile naye bofana ukuthi abone ukuthi ushoda kuphi wena naye uzokufundisa. Ingakho kunesisho sithi izandla ziyagezana. The only thing that is wrong in doing that is to do it to a person on hidden agendas. Is to do it to a person vele akahlelanga kule relationship. She was here because of ufuna something. He is here because of ufuna achieve something from the other person, and that's it. There's nothing wrong of ufundiseni umuntu, but there's everything wrong ukuthi uzothi musu ufundile ke wena njengoba usufundisiwe usuyibona ungcono, usuyiloya manje na ubona ukuthi you are better than me, mina ngumelaphi nje wendabuko and everything. So why mina ngingahambi ngiyesikoleni and everything, but I don't want to be the lawyer. Uzibona ungcono because of now you are friends with other lawyers, with other doctors, with other professionals, but you forget ukuthi ubani okufake lapho, ubani okuse lapho. Right, today I'm talking to the ones that bebafundiswa. I'm not talking to the ones abafundisile. We're talking to the ones lapha abafundiswa ukuthi, have you noticed ukuthi sometimes impilo yakho is going down the drain suddenly? Izinto azisakuhambeli kahle and everything because wena usuhlukene nomuntu ade kufundisa because of wena usuyibona wathi woba ngcono in. You know why? It's because those people, they go to an extra mile lo okufundisile ukuthi ekuthakatha. They will do what it takes for you ukuthi uthakatheke because they are bitter, and they should be bitter, to be quite honest. Because when usufundisiwe manje usuyitsho ukuthi ngcono, why then don't you sit down and say, listen, I want to pay you back the money? Even if you can do that, it's not enough. So there's nothing wrong with ukufundisa umuntu othandana naye. There's everything wrong when ukufundisa isiphukuphuku somuntu esizoshesha ukukhohlwa. Abanye bakhohlwa basasevasithi. There's a guy waqhamuka kumina wathi, Weshanda, yazi angisazi lengane ngiyayifundisa, lengane ngenzani, siya ngeactela manje, ayisaphendula ingcingo zami, ayisayenzi lutho, ayisanginaki, ayisenzi in. Man, the best advice I give to such clients is ngithi vala amanzi. Mangithi vala amanzi ngithi stop teaching her. Stop. That's it. Stop. Usukhulumile naye several times, sasevasithi manje abanye fuyevasithi sekathi hayi sengibona untanga bami impilo sengibone kangcono in. I have friends abahlukana nabantu babo basevasithi, even besides ukuthi umuntu umfundisile and everything. Why? Because of bofundisa umuntu or bozwana nomuntu o selfish. That is where the issue of ukuthakatha starts at. So the lesson of this video is that sometimes asithakathwa ngoba sisukelwa, sometimes sithakathwa ngoba sibe selfish wamyuza umuntu wamsenga umuntu ubungasebenzi ingane abantu ikondla ingane abantu igqokisa ingane abantu kuyisa esikoleni ingane abantu kwenzela yonke into kwesinye isikhathi uyindoda wenzelwa yonke into uthola iplate every day uphekela uwashela wenza yonke into but wena because of manje na usune income nyana usine madlana nyana usuyibona ungcono kunengane yomuntu. Remember abazali bakini bangasakunaki wena ntombazana umuntu wakho he was there for you akwenzela zonke izinto ayenza sure ukuthi udlile uyaqoka umuhle ufana namanye amantombazana but manje yena usuyasebenza usuyibona ungcono wena kunaye. Guys, kwesinye isikhathi ubuthakathi siyayibizela amabhadi siyayibizela amathunzi amnyama siyayibizela izibopho siyayibophela thina impilo zethu. Why? Because of unyela isihlahla bukade uphumula kuso lishisa ilanga kungekho lapho ungaphumula khona manje na usuyasinyela wena lesihlahla lesi. Yingakho sithakathwa nganza kwethu yingakho kwesinye isikhathi mawufika enyangeni ithi inyanga but wena lo muntu oyenzele into lena singayelapha lento lena kodwa inkinga engeke sikwazi ukuyelapha kufanele wena uyoyenza ukuthi uyokhuluma naye uyoxolisa uyocela intethelelo kuyena uyocela ushwele kuyena niyoyenza inhlambuluko kuyena bese umuntu athi hayi mina ngeke ngikwenze lokho. Why? Usuyibona ukuthi ungcono wena usukhohliwe ama sacrifices abanye abantu they had cast at later stage. Why? Because of bekanakakele umuntu athandana naye. They wanted to make sure ukuthi umuntu athandana naye uba sezingeni elithize empilweni. Why? Because they love them. But the other partner is not there for love, is there to benefit. Uhleli ku relationship not because of uyathanda but because of convenient. Because of uyadla, because ulale edlile uyaqoka ufaka ama perfume in uhleli ku relationship. But as soon as sakakwazi ukuyiafforda ukuthi enze lezi zinto lezo uyaxhuma sekayabaleka. Ahlakaniphe ke lo omshiyayo oyije ukuthi usiphukuphuku ahamba ayofuna umuthi ebuye ekuthakathe unye. Why? Because you stupid. You stupid in a sense that wena uyuze ingane yomunye umuzi enedlozi nayo. Abanye abakuthakathe uthi abakithi bayobona kulungile. Abakithi bayazi ukuthi ngimenzeleni kulungile. Abakithi bayobona likushaya idlozi lekabo lona uhambe inyanga uzuyiqede ufike lana inyanga ethi hayi mina ngayilapha lento lena ugqonyiso wenzeni ingalapheki ufike kuleni igqumiso wenzeni ingalapheki into. Why? Because ushawe impande yedlozi. Idlozi seliyazenzela wena awusena choice mngane wethu. Idlozi lishayela wena njena liyayitamuzela la kuwena idlozi lalengane lena. Lengane lena wena abukade ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile kunayo uhlaniphile kunabakubo. So ilesson ya today ingane zakwethu, if you don't believe ukuthi wayemfundiselani vele wakuzwapha ukuthi umuntu uthandana nawe uyamfundisa, don't agree ukuthi ufundiswe. If uyazi ukuthi ama intentions akho are otherwise, pay that person imali yakhe. It's not going to be enough. Noma ngayibuyisana with interest, it's not going to be enough, but at least mbuyisele imali yakhe. But you must know ukuthi uswazi liyeza. Salwa sendoda gogo bathini bathu mavula kuvula emzinami yamadoda uLocksmith, technician yedlozi, engineer yomsamo. Ngani zakuthi ngisatholakala number 12 Union Street ukuthi into esiphazamisile manje na issue lena ye COVID-19, but ngisatholakala number 12 Union Street eMpangeni kwaZulu Natal. They will then give you directions to ekhaya. Bookings number is 082 833 4063 082 833 4062. Also available ku Gogo Bathini Mbatha ku Facebook. You must be careful ngani zakwethu ku Facebook. There's many accounts of people who are opening accounts in Gogo Bathini Mbatha and they are robbing people. I don't know how you get robbed, because I've never said to you must put money on ShopRite, you must put money on Checkers or whatever stores they are telling you to put money on. Other people, they've lost up to hundreds of thousands each person in the name of Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Please be careful. Email gogo@bathinimbatha.co.za, gogo@bathinimbatha.co.za, 082 833 4063. We only work strictly on appointments. Ngani zakwethu we don't do telephone consultation. Whether you have a question, whether you have a dream, whether what, we don't work over the phone. We work from Empangeni. I work from home, Empangeni. I'm not a fly-by-night traditional healer. If you want me, you'll get me. Tozani Bokoko Nomkhulu, Maluju.